guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta, the co-founder of 10xsodakids.com, and today we are gonna be playing Dress to Impress in Roblox. So fun, right? So before I made this video, I redeemed all the dresses from the codes. So I think we have a pretty good chance in winning. But before that, I want to warn you guys. I'm not a pro at this. I might not win. So we're gonna give it our best shot. But the thing is, when you see, I am actually a fashionista and dressed to impress. So that's how, when we play normally, I just play. At that times, it's like sometimes I don't win because I don't have the VIP section. So I play with my friend, and we both give each other 5 stars. So we always win, because of which right now I'm a fashionista and dressed to impress, but I redeemed all the dresses from the codes. So I think I have a better chance now, because I'm not playing with my friend right now, but I think I can win, possibly win, right? So I think this is gonna be real fun, and let's get started. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm excited, honestly. What's the theme? Okay, photographer. Okay, I am excited. So first we're gonna go here and I'm gonna change my skin color. Perfect. I'm a photographer, right? I'm not too much in fashion. I'm like a casual wear. I'm gonna do a casual wear, I think, but like not bad, but like casual. Yeah, that's fine. That's pretty. Yeah, I can. Yeah, that's like fine. I think so. Wait, I'm gonna move myself here. Okay. I hope there's no problem. Yeah, pink. Okay, and then like my leggings here. We can do this. Mm, black. Yeah, we can do that. Black and this. Okay, perfect. Right, let's go first do my hair now. I'm like gonna go and I'm now gonna go do my face and hair. Okay, let's see. I usually go with this or this. I think I'm gonna go with this. I might change it, but what hair? Better. I think it's better. I don't know if it's giving like a photographer vibes. You guys tell me. Comment down below. I'm gonna do black nails. I think that's perfect. Let's put on these. Okay, that's nice. And then we're gonna go here. Let's see. I think I would wear these. Yeah, okay, these are perfect. And now we need some accessories. Oh, okay. Cameras here. We are set. Good. Like it. Like the fit. I think this is giving photographer vibes.
Okay guys, so one thing I'm going to tell you, I know this is a very bad habit of mine, but I always give to everyone 1 star. Everyone. Because see, the person who has a really good costume, that person will already get a lot of stars from others. So if I give them also 5 stars, then that makes my winning chances even less. So that, oh, okay, what was that pose? So that's why I give everyone 1. I know it's a bad habit of mine, but hey, what can I do? Alright, I feel like everyone is kind of like wearing a casual. I don't know who will win. Like everyone is like having the same fit. 1 for you too. Okay, when is it? No. Nah. If you're a photographer, then you would not wear this. A photographer is a person who wears like very casual clothes. Well, that's what I think. What are these poses, guys? Okay. Ooh, that's me, you guys. That's me. Woohoo! Look at me. Woo! Give me some good stars, you guys. I love it. Woo! Oh, okay. That was okay. I don't know if I'm gonna win honestly or not, because like everyone is like having like the same clothes only. Different. I like it. 1. Guys, even if it's like the best outfit ever, if it's like 5 stars worthy, I will always give it a 1. I don't know why. I just told you the reason, but hey, what can I do? That's my problem. Okay, this is the last person. I don't think I'm gonna win honestly, but let's be optimistic. 1 star. Sorry. You look like a painter with that hat. No, actually, you are looking good. She is looking good. I like her. Nice. Let's see who wins. Will I win, you guys? Will I win, you guys? No, I didn't win. I didn't win, you guys. I didn't win. I came 5th. Okay, I came 5th.
Ooh, school. That's nice. I am in school. But the thing is, I don't know if it's like an ordinary day of school. Is it the picture day of school? Is it the first day of school? Ugh! Maybe I go with this. I like this, honestly. I'm lost, you guys. I have so many options here. Mm, it's okay. It's not the best. Okay. I'm gonna go do my hair. I know what I'm gonna do here. This one. Yeah, that's nice. Perfect. My nails are okay. Face is okay. I can wear shoes. I'll probably wear shoes, not heels, right? So maybe these, yeah. And then glasses, because like I wear glasses. And then we're gonna have a backpack. And this backpack, of course. And then like I'm holding it, you know what I mean? Yep, that's nice.
Let's see everyone. No, this is not at all against school vibes. One star. But I could have given the sorry, I'm not being rude. It's okay. It's not against school vibes. It's not like going according to the theme. But she was looking gorgeous. And I think she's gonna win. She's looking great. I don't think I'm gonna win. But hey, let's be optimistic. Alright. Oh my god, what are you doing? What was that? What was that pose that she did on the floor? Okay, okay. Alright. She's nice. She looks good. I want to give her actually like good stars. Like I would give her 4 if I would do like a normal rating. But nah, 1. You know already, I'll give everyone a 1. I know it's a very bad habit of mine, but hey. Woohoo! Look at me, guys! Guys, if you were playing with me, would you give me 5 stars? Tell me in the comments, how am I doing? How am I doing, guys? What, why am I still? Ooh, nice. I think I did horrible against like the other people. Nice fit. Loving it. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's see who's next. You can help them. Guys, if you want, you can send me a friend request and like you can message me that I'm like a subscriber and like please like be my friend and like oh guys, that's so good. What we can do is like if you guys send me a friend request and like write like I'm a subscriber and all, then like I can like accept the request and then like I can make a video with you, like playing with you. Guys, that's so cool. I think you all know my username, right? I'm pretty sure you do. I'm not gonna say it out loud, but you have to see it. I think everyone knows it. Guys, wouldn't it be so fun like playing together? Like not in a meeting, but like yeah, like playing together. We can play best of friends and like we can duo. You know what I mean? Okay, you guys, you have to send your friend request and you have to tell me that I'm fine and then next time we can play together.
Did I win? Did I win? No, I didn't. Great. See, I'm a fashion. Oh wow, I'm 5th again. That's why I need my friend to give me 5 stars and like so that I win. I am famous. What will I wear if I'm famous? I mean, it's like not very specific. What should I wear for famous? Okay, I think I know what dress I want to wear, but I think that is not at all going to like match with the theme. But it might. I don't know. This one. I think this is like not that good. Okay, let's see. I am famous and I will not like put my hair up now. I think I can do this. I'm like going with a theme that I'm like going to an award show or something. I'm gonna do like very long nails. Ha ha ha. Perfect. Okay. Where is the purse? Which purse should I put? Probably this one. I'm gonna take this. Probably this, yeah. Guys, let's speed up this process. Let's speed this up.
Three, two, one, go! Woohoo! What is that? I don't have words, honestly. One. Okay, let's go. You guys, on have won. No, I didn't win. Oh my god. I came fourth.
Alright, guys. So this was it. I really hope you enjoyed my video. And I'm so sorry that I didn't win any position. Gosh. It's okay, guys. Stay happy and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.